my name is Casey Novotny. I'm the General Manager here at Walser, Wayzata Nissan. Just wanted to share this video with you to get rid of maybe a little bit of confusion while we're under construction as to where you go for your service appointments. I want to go ahead and show you that right now. As we pull right up to the store here, we're going to enter in the main entrance, and you'll note that in front of us there will be two signs. There'll be a service sign and a sales sign on the building. We're going to go ahead and stay to the left into the service drive so we can get parked and get into the building. We'll go right into a service parking spot, which is a service drop-off lane, and we can go ahead and park and leave our vehicle right here for service. And I'll show you how to walk in and where to go next. All right, so once you've parked and you're coming inside of the building here, just go ahead and you'll follow the ramp down to the bottom here. So you just go ahead and come right up the ramp here and into the only door on the building next to the service sign. So once you come in the building, we're gonna go right to the right and speak with a service advisor. If you do have any questions about how this process works, feel free to give us a shout. Otherwise, thank you so much for your business and your patience, and hopefully next time we see you, we'll be in our brand new state-of-the-art facility ready to serve you.